on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we are going to be repairing the screen on this iPhone 4S right here, as you can see. It is a little beat up and, kind of just, basically, I would say, slightly unusable, but, I mean, the phone itself is still alive, so it just is stone dead. So, yeah, what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start this repair, and from here it's going to be a time lapse. Alright, as you guys can see, the 4S here is charging, so we'll just have to wait for it to power on, but I will come back as soon as it does. And as you guys can see, the phone is now powering back on. Should take just a moment here for it to spring up, but this is kind of a comparison. That's the old broken display. That's the new display that we put on, so certainly was a task, but it got done, so turned out immaculate, which is great. Overall, the phone is in great shape. As you can see, no major damage, and it's all in great shape. So, phone looks good. And we are back on, as you guys can see here. So now we just have to get back into the phone and basically go from there. Make sure everything is working. Looks like we have Wi-Fi already, which is great. Home button works. Touch is working. Let's try the volume buttons. Volume buttons work. Silencer works. Power button works. And let's go ahead and test the cameras. And as you can see, back-facing camera is working. Let's test front-facing. Front-facing also works as well. It's potato quality, but it works. And then basically all of the other stuff here is working, which is great. Just have a couple of apps open here that we have to close. But yep, as you can see, everything is here and is working, which is wonderful. It's terrific. And let's also go ahead and test the speakers as well. Let's test it with one of my videos here. This is also going to test the internet connection here as well. Seems like it's running nicely. Of course, it's going to take a minute because it is an older phone after all, so while it's doing that, let's increase the brightness here. Looks like we are all good. Volume is at about half. Right, we are just waiting for this to load. Actually, in the meantime, there is another way we can also test the sound. If we go into here, go into sounds. Yep, sounds work. Wonderful. But yep, as far as the inspection goes, everything appears to be working, which is fantastic. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.